Poor baby.
Woke up in the morning light, stretched out long and warm and bright. Paws on the
I'll take care
floor,
of the costs.
a little yawn. A brand new day has just been born.
Don't be sad.
Found a sunbeam on the rug,
My little kitty
gave
is sad
myself
for her, but she
a
reminds
little
me of her father,
snug.
who
A
abandoned
twitch
me.
of the whiskers, a blink of the eye, ready to watch the world go by.
Let's go.
Oh, a purr and a stretch, a twitch of the tail. My perfect day will never fail. Just a little fluff ball, soft and sweet, with tiny dancing happy feet. A little nap beside the chair, without a single worry or care. Dreaming of mice and tangled string, of all the joy that this day will bring. A gentle head boop, a soft slow blink, a sip of water by the sink. The world is quiet, safe and sound, the bestest spot that can be found. Oh, a purr and a stretch, a twitch of the tail. My perfect day will never fail. Just a little fluff ball, soft and sweet, with tiny dancing happy feet. The human comes and gives a treat, something tasty, oh so neat. A gentle pet along the chin, a cozy cuddle tucked right in. Oh, a purr and a stretch, a twitch of the tail. My perfect day will never fail. Just a little fluff ball, soft and sweet, with tiny dancing happy feet. A cozy cuddle tucked right in.
I wish I could see her.
Oh, a purr and a stretch, a twitch of the tail. My perfect day will never fail. Just a little fluff ball, soft and sweet, with tiny dancing happy feet.